Hello guys, Sylvanus aka Salco here again. In this video I'm going to show you a software product that will help you to make more money, especially lead. Every business today online you need to have a lead. When I say lead, I'm talking about people who will subscribe to your list that you can send product to them. So for me not to waste time, let's dive into that product and I will show you inside the product. Okay, so let me just log into the dashboard for you to see how it works. Actually, this is a product here. You can see the product here. And it's making money for people. You can even see here the results here, and it helps you to make money, a lot of lead, a lot of opt-in. So when you look here, it's just step 3. So the product name is 5-figure day. 5-figure day is a program. You can make 5-figure a day. So when you come here, is step 3, 1, 2, 3. So say enter and save your affiliate link. Then it take 1 to 3 minutes. Then the second step, say jump starter, which means 5-figure day. It lets you free various traffic engine. So after you've done that, you simply just give away the version of this in social media, all the stuff to email. It take you 1 to 2 minutes to put a post, and here the 3-step. Then after you've done that, you just have to sit back and watch the lead coming in. It's simple as that. Okay, so and here you see the opt-in form, which are the squeeze space you use to collect the leads. So when I get into the dashboard, you see this and how to use it. I'll show you. So for me not to waste time, let's go straight to the dashboard. 5-figure a day. Okay, it's right here. So this is it. Okay, so you can see this is it. Okay, yeah, what it means is that when you look at here, these are the funnels or opt-in forms. Okay, the opt-in forms here, when you sign up with this, what it means is that this thing is done for you. All you have to do is just copy this and paste into wherever you want to promote this link. So if you look at this, you see this is the link. So let me just, so this is it. So when you sign up or someone put in email to get this information from you, you get a lead, because this will go back to your autoresponder. You can connect your autoresponder to this one. It will be Aweber, GetResponse, Sanji, or any other autoresponder you want to use. Okay, so it's so simple. So if I log in here right now, it will take me back to my site because I set it up and put up some product in there already. Okay, so for instance, let me just take this one to, okay, this, let me copy this also paste the okay, so you see this one too. Okay, so all this thing is for you. You don't have to do anything. But if you want to create your own opt-in form or whatever, you welcome, you can do that. Okay, so here for instance, if I put in my email, let me just put an email for you to see how it works. Um, okay, so you see, they give me this. Okay, so if I click here, it will take me back the free bonus. I'll get free bonus to join. But if I click here, the product I put there already will come. You see what happened. You see, so this is a product itself because I get the link for this product. So if someone buy this product, I get a commission. Okay, so if you sign up, you can request for the link to this product at Warriors. Okay, at Warriors. So when you get a link, you paste it in there, then you can start making money of it. Okay, so it's so simple to use. Okay, so let me go back to a pay member area. Okay, so now as a pay member person or pay member area, I have this option. So when I click on this, it take me back here.
Hey, it's
We
Brian
don't want
here
to
to
hear
go
the video, so
over
let's
with.
pause the video and it take me back here. So because I'm pay member, I upgraded to Nitro Funnel. So when I click on this, it give me more options. For here, you see, these are some of my products I already, set up. Okay, so when I click here, it take me to this page. I set this up myself. Okay, so let's go back. When I click here to the same thing, I set up this one to send me back here. So when I enter my information here, it will take me to my affiliate offer. Okay, so let's come back here and see the more function you can use. Okay, so here I'm going to show you how you can create your own opt-in form or set up your affiliate offer. Okay, so for here you put the headline here, then the text, then you choose the color of the box, and here the text color, then here the button color, then you choose either subscribe now or instant access. Okay, and you put your affiliate link here. So let me just show you how the work, how you can set it up. Before then, I want to use a background from YouTube. Let me go to one of my YouTube video, this very one. So let me copy the current and go back to 5 figure. So I'm going to paste a link here. Okay, because I'm using video background, I don't need an image anymore. So let's come back here to put a headline. The headline, so I have I think one of my okay, I'll just copy this one. Free reports. Come back here, paste it here as a highline. Okay, so let me copy len to, okay, I'll paste down also here. Okay, let me go back and copy commission. And paste down also here. Okay, so you see this is it. Okay, now we'll come here. The color, if I do this, it should tend to gray, so I'm going to keep it black. Then the font color will also be this one. Then the bottom color gray. Now let's do it blue. Yes, blue. Then the, yeah, this is the bottom color. This is it. So now the text, the bottom text will be instant access. So I click on this one. Now the affiliate link. The affiliate link, let me go to Warriors. And okay, this I get a link here, copy and go back to here and paste it. Okay, paste here. Okay, so I finish all this. Yes, and about if you got double squeeze page, which I say yes. If I say no, it will only be the only one squeeze page I'm doing, because if I do this, it's both the free version of the 5-figure I told you I show you in the previous video. It is same. So when I click here, it will only be one, which is go direct to my offer. But when I do both the 5-figure and my offer, okay. So let's say preview. So this is it. This is a preview. Okay, what is this? This preview. So you just create opt-in form. When I enter the information here, so it will go back to that affiliate link I put in there. Okay, so let me go back and click create. Okay, create. You say 5-figure says you have successfully created your new funnel. Grab your funnel link below. Okay, so okay, so when you look here, it add up to my funnel. This is it, free report review. So when I click here now, you see what happened. So it gave me this. You see, this is it. So let me put in some email and see what happened. Okay, it's just a test. So you give me this 2 here because I tap for 2. You remember that blue thing I clicked there. If I were to click no, it will only give me 1, which will be just one of this. Okay, so let's say proceed. So you see, it takes me to the offer straight. The offer I put here take me here straight. Okay, this is how it works. Okay, so I think that's it, and that will be it. So this is really good. You can create as many as you want, and it will help you boost your online business. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like the video, just subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click on the notification button so that if any video that I I come out with just like this ones, you get a notification. Okay, thank you very much. See you in my next video.
Please, if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.